Hey people! Today I am going to show you how to get Discord's new secret browser. First, don't go to discordapp.com, go to one of the links in the description depending on your operating system. I am on Windows, so I go to the Windows link. Next, wait for it to download. I will skip ahead so you don't have to wait. Now that your application has been downloaded, double-click it and wait for it to install. It will take a little while, but once it is done, you will be quite happy. Now that Discord Canary has installed, sign in. You may now have two different Discords. Close them all, and make sure only to load Discord Canary, the yellow one. If you want to open it again, just search for Canary or open it from the desktop. Great job, people, you installed Discord's new secret browser. Whoa! Yahoo! If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more awesome secret hacks and tips. Whoa!